Hello guys, Shahzad Rabbani again. This video is about Swiss franc JPY trade setup view. This may be applied on a trading session start from 27th of February 2017 onward. I'm gonna apply it on a daily chart. Remember guys, this is the second video about this pair. Before this I was uploaded this video, I mean Swiss franc JPY's video about trading views on 7th of February 2017. So I just request to you to see my previous videos of Swiss franc JPY as well, so that you would understand what I was said on that time and what's going on, what happened, right? Before jump into the chart, let's have a risk disclosure and warning statement from my side. This video is only for educational purposes. Foreign exchange trading carrying margin and substantial risk, therefore it isn't suitable for every investor. Okay guys, actually on 7th of February 2017, here we were, you can see the 27th of February, so we were actually on sell before 114, below 114's levels, and our stop loss at that time, which we were suggested, were about 115. And so far, as you can see, the market on Friday, 24th of February 2017, the market were closed at 111. So we were gain up till Friday about 200 pips. However, my aim is basically to retain in the trade as long as the trend persists or trend continues. This is why I have always been said that this is a swing trading setup and trend following setup. So whenever the trend finish, my views or my analysis allow me that now there isn't any trend, then I would exit on this trade. Otherwise I will stay in this trade as long as the sell trend persists. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the market is creeping, but before this it has very swift and very clear swing high and swing low, right? Just supposingly we were there before this, you can see, just for refreshing your knowledge, it was a buying trend and pattern have higher high and higher low, like this: higher high, higher low, 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 right? What happened when this particular level break, right? As you can see on this candle, now we have the lower low, right? The lower high, lower low, lower high, right? So we are now assuming that the bear market trend is continuous, and obviously in a bear market one would imagine to have a sell, but obviously we need to have a sell where we will have minimal risks, right? So just to tell you about how you can grab, or how you can get a trading opportunity in this pairs, you need to draw a trend line, right? Previously this was the previous swing high, this was the previous swing low, right? The lower low, lower high. Before this was the swing high, right? So you need to connect at least 2 points, first point and second point. But remember that points also shows swing, swing high or swing low, right? If I'm gonna buy this market, I need to have a upward, market must be broken this trend line, then I would think to buy. Otherwise I would I've been a sell as long as this trend line won't break, right? Okay, as you can see, this is the swing low, lower high, yeah, right? This is again lower high, this is the higher low. So I need to connect this with now I need to, basically I'm searching the possible entries, right? So if I'm gonna choose this trend line, right, the higher low trend line, higher low points, this is the this one, you may say, the lower low point, this is the higher lower, this is the lower low points. If I connect this into this, right, so I'm expecting keeping in view this particular trend line, the market should come up onto this levels or right somewhere on this, then I would sell it. Okay, this is the first scenario. The second scenario is if I draw this trend line same from on the previous points to the another one, the lower low points, right? This is the lower low point, as you can see. So I connect these this point as well, right? So it just gives me a very clear and crystal pictures. As you can see, as long as this trend line persists, market is in a buying, whereas whereas at this point it has break, right? So we can say now the sell trend or bear market trends continues. Now we are expecting to retest of this particular trend line, right, somewhere on this point. I'm talking about 112.524. So my entry of Swiss franc JPY would be 112.52. I would be on a sell on this point, right? So I'm expecting now what would be my stop loss, right? So my stop loss obviously the previous swing high, right, at this point, when actually we were in sell right from 7th of February of this month. We were chosen this particular swing high point, right? But now the market squeezing and made another swing high, right, lower high point. So we have squeezed and lower down from our stop loss from this point to this point, right? So my stop loss would be on 113.85, and whatever I risk, at least double would be my reward. This would be the first scenario. The second scenario maybe this level, the previous swing low levels, right, this level, right? So the second scenario maybe my 110.273, right? So this is my trade of Swiss franc JPY. Sell below 112.52, stop loss 113.85, and target 110.273, or whatever your stop loss are double of this amount, right? If you have any question or query, guys, please don't hesitate, just write down me. You can write down your views on the subscription below or in the comment columns. I try my level best to reply as quickly as possible. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend and trading ahead.